When an amount of money is invested with a specific interest rate over a number of periods, and that interest rate acts on a new amount every time, that's called compound interest. And to calculate compound interest, we have this formula here. PV, the present value or the initial amount invested, multiplied by 1 plus R, where R is the rate, the interest rate, but written as a decimal, to the power of N, where N is the number of periods that interest acts on the initial amount. And that will give us our future value. This isn't given in the exam, so it needs to be committed to memory beforehand. Let's look at an example question where we can apply this formula. Judith invests £600 for 2 years at a 4% per annum compound interest. What's the value of her investment after those 2 years? The first thing we do is we recall the formula. Present value times by 1 plus the interest rate to the power of the number of periods is going to give us our future value after the 2 years. And then we can just sub our values in. Present value, or the initial amount, is given in the question, 600. That's what's initially invested. The number of periods is given as well, 2 years. And 4% is our interest rate. Writing 4% as a decimal is 0.04, not 0.4. Okay, so we have 600 multiplied by 1 plus 0.04 to the power of 2. Okay, so we can simplify the 1 plus 0.04 to get this here. 600 times by 1.04 to the power of 2. When we type all this into our calculator, we get 648.96. Remember your units here, because it's invested in money, it's going to be a monetary value. So your final answer will be £648.96.